To the founders and pioneers of Rise Beyond the Reef, Mr. Semi Latau and Janet Latau, welcome from the United States of America, Bula. To the employees of Living Wealth Fiji, invited guests and ladies and gentlemen, members of the media, Valovina. It's a pleasure to be here today, to firstly come and see this establishment, which I've heard so much about since joining office in December last year. And I can see the potential that this initiative has for the rest of the country, and how it can unlock some of the questions that we've asked ourselves for so many years in terms of empowering our women and rural communities to actually find economic prosperity whilst living in villages. Traditionally, as we know, finding sources of income for our people has been a challenge. And successive governments have always tried to find ways. And it's a credit to Mr. Latau and Mrs. Latau that and with the Manoa Kamikamica to come up with this idea of trying to solve that puzzle or the challenge that has challenged successive governments for so many years. So for that it's an honor to be here, to meet you all and see what wonderful work you are currently doing in trying to develop the business here. I think that in years to come, I am hoping that it should become a beacon for how to change lives, improve lives through arts and agriculture. And I'm certainly encouraged. One of the things I challenge myself with is this idea about really creating wealth at a rural economy. Like I said, it's always a theoretical discussion. Rise Beyond the Reef has turned it into a practical, pragmatic and realistic opportunity. I'm interested in some of your programs that are happening. So the vanilla there, and also the attempts at turmeric and ginger, particularly organic. I'll be sending an email to Mr. Lata on a potential market for you, in turmeric and ginger, organic based. Just got an email just yesterday. So these are the type of things that government can do with organizations such as yourselves to uplift our communities, our rural communities. It's always when we come to this part of Fiji, we always talk about the sleeping giant. And perhaps the Rise Beyond the Reef is a sleeping giant as well. And for those of us who are in government right now, maybe we will be around when the giant awakens and spreads to all parts of Fiji. The assistance that the reason why I'm here is just to formalize the assistance that was provided to Rise Beyond the Reef recently to facilitate the ability to get onto Amazon, and that just came out of a conversation with Mr. Latau after I had the chance to meet him at the Economic Summit. And it's wonderful that we can see that you are now on Amazon, and we look forward to more good news as the rest of the world starts to discover Fijian art and handicrafts on a global level, and that is quite exciting. And for us as a government, obviously, we're always interested in public-private partnerships. Saya nanona laka na matini tu batira na down business na kena saka indelabiti na nanonda vanu. So we are excited to be part of your initiatives and honored to be allowed to contribute. Please be assured that this is only the beginning. That we will try and mobilize as a government and try and support where we can, particularly when you can see the opportunities that RISE can actually create as well. So with those few words, I again am honored to be here with our team from the ministry. Thank them for also being here, and we wish RISE Beyond the Reef well, and as you continue to work together. And I am certain that, like I said, when the sleeping giant awakens, RISE Beyond the Reef will probably be on the shoulders of that sleeping giant. This words na valeu do kulonga na Yau Bula, kulonga taltinga na na marleu, na ngantra na tiwakete, o na tati valeu na to mai officiated vendai. Sa ati tala na bani ni nito na nakakabati. Pero ni wakabuto kan sa robina kana nomdo bananan watalakin na bananan ni matintu. Na bukungan ni kana sanga ime baka torre lagi kita nonton penuh, kena bagai balik na sesangan ni mati itu, kena sangat nak pakai burila, nonton di kor ini tiba-tiba penuh. So on behalf of the government and the ministry, again thank you for the invite to be here today. It's a pleasure and an honor, and be assured that we will do our utmost to assist you as you carry on this very exciting journey, which holds a lot of promise for the rural communities, particularly the women of Fiji. Navale.